Good afternoon. My name is Angie Milena Jojoairazo. This is my identification, Angie Milena Jojoairazo. I am 23 years old. I'm from Pasto Nariño. My family is made up of my parents and my two brothers. I am the only older woman and we are very close. I like to sport, go to the gym, jog with my personal trainer, and I love eating. I eating pizza and ice cream. I really don't like drink liquor and dance. I don't like go to the parties and I don't like to go to movies. My day normally starts at 6 in the morning. I do sports. I train until 8 and I work in the gym. I am personal trainer. At no lunch and again I go to the gym and work with my students until 9 and at night and end up sleeping at 11 o'clock after drinking my protein. Thank you very much.